My name is Robert with toolinginventory.com, and today I want to talk with you about how you go about getting work for your small garage shop or hobby machine shop. So when you're thinking about going and getting work, there's really two things that you need to focus on. And that's the sales side of it, which is going to be actually going out calling and getting in front of the right people, and the marketing side of it, which is going to be about allowing more people to know what you do. So the more people that know about what you do, the more likelihood that one's going to need that done. Some machining work, they're going to give you a call. So the first one we're going to talk about is the marketing side of it. So nowadays, it's so easy to set up a Facebook page and start a good Facebook page with good feeds about the stuff you're going to post is about when you complete a job. Take a picture. So say you have this widget that you machined. It looks great. Go ahead and take a picture of it, put it on Facebook, and every time you do that, the people that are seeing that, it's building trust that, okay, this machine shop, this guy knows what he's doing, he can get the job done, and next time he needs some stuff done, he's going to give you a call, and there's going to be trust built, and it's going to be easy to start the relationship and getting work that way. The next way is with the sales. So I really think two ways of doing sales for the machine shop, small hobby shop, would be phone sales and then actually going in person and talking to people. So with the phone sales, you're going to get a list of, maybe you have some industrial manufacturing parks in your area or any places that could potentially need your services. Make a list of that and just give them a call and tell them what you do and your prices, and just setting that seed that you do that in their mind is gonna be enough for if they need some work done. They'll be like, oh, hey, this guy called me, he's in the area, let's give him some work. So that's really a great way to get the phone sales going. And then the next way would be actually taking a day, driving to one of these machine shops, these industrial parks, and just stopping into each of these shops and talking to the receptionist and saying, hey, I'm in the area, I do this service, XYZ, and leave your card. That's going to do wonders. I had work with my machine shop where I dropped off a flyer like 8 months prior, and then they called me. They're like, hey, we're in a pinch. It's been 8 months. You dropped off this flyer. Are you still doing machining? And I just had one CNC machine, and I was able to get pretty good jobs from leaving flyers off places, just stopping in, dropping it off. And it may seem like a waste of time at the moment, but the more people that you interact with, it's a numbers game, the more chances of you getting work are. And the interesting thing is, the more work you get, the more selective you can be about that work. So as a hobby garage machine shop, the best situation would be you've got a lot of people knowing that you can do great work, and you're selective about the types of job and the amount of money that you're willing to get on the job. So doing the sales and marketing, even if you're just a hobby machine shop, like I was making money with a 2-horse CNC Bridgeport and a small South Bend lathe. And it was just people knowing that you could do a good job. They're always calling you, and then you could take the work that's the high dollar work. Because if you're doing this, I mean, you don't want to be making like $30, $40 an hour with your machine. I mean, if you do it right and you have good marketing and you have a lot of jobs coming through, you can be selective and you can make good money with your hobby machine, and it could be a good supplementary income or even full-time income. So those are my tips on how to go about gaining business as a hobby machine shop. And if you want to hear more videos like this about machine shop, hobby, garage machine shop, gaining business, and actually being profitable with one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're going to keep creating more videos like this. Thanks.